Die slagoffers van plaasaanvalle is nie net statistieke nie, hulle is menselewens, pilare van ons landbouekonomie en die bewaarders van ons nasionale voedselsekerheid. Die DA herhaal ons oproep tot dringende optrede om hierdie krisis die hoof te bied. Landelike veiligheid is sentraal tot ons ekonomie, tot werkskepping en tot voedselsekerheid in ons land. 'n Paar weke gelede het die minister van Landbou, John Steenhuisen, die saak van landelike veiligheid, plaasmoorde en veediefstal direk met die Amerikaanse president Donald Trump geopper. Dit was 'n noodsaaklike ingryping na jare se ontkenning van die probleem deur vorige ANC-regerings. For too long, the brutality of farm attacks, as well as the effect that it has on food security, has been ignored. But finally, this House has been forced to confront the truth. On the 21st of May this year, a joint parliamentary committee report on farm murders was adopted unanimously. For the first time, two key portfolio committees, that of Agriculture and Police, formally recognized that these attacks do happen and that it must be addressed urgently. This is a step in the right direction and the DA welcomes it. However, recognition without implementation is meaningless. Words do not stop bullets. Reports do not restore lives, and food is not produced in stores but on the farms in our country. We therefore need to do more to protect our farmers, farm workers, and people living in the rural parts of our country. When they are under threat, our food security is also under threat. Honourable Deputy Speaker, the DA has long been ahead of the curve in addressing rural safety. The DA's 10-point plan outlines the clear, actionable reforms needed to secure our rural communities and safeguard our national food security. Firstly, we call for the establishment of a specialized rural safety unit within the South African Police Service, consisting of properly trained and resourced people solely focusing on combating rural crime, farm attacks, and stock theft. Secondly, we must urgently strengthen rural crime intelligence. We must improve data collection, intelligence networks, and cooperation between the police and local communities, which includes farm watchers and traditional leaders. Thirdly, we must tackle the crisis in the criminal justice system. Low conviction rates are sending a message to criminals that they can act with impunity. In May this year, the alleged murderers of Mr. Hendrik Venter, a farmer from Kuruman, were set free due to a lack of proper investigation by the police. We need prosecution-led investigations and real-time intelligence sharing with SAPS and the NPA. Fourthly, the uniquely brutal nature of farm murders, often involving torture and extreme violence, must be officially recognized and addressed accordingly. These are not ordinary crimes. They are targeted, premeditated acts that devastate families and communities. Fifthly, as Minister Steenhuisen said in the meeting with President Trump, farm attacks and stock theft must be declared as priority crimes. This will ensure the resources and urgency it deserves. Six, we must institutionalize partnerships with local stakeholders such as community policing forums, traditional leaders, and civil society who are active protectors of our rural fabric. Seventh, the SAPS must be empowered with forensic tools, skilled investigators, and a clear mandate to bring perpetrators to justice swiftly. Eighth, we need to repair the broken relationship between the police and the farming community. Trust and cooperation between them are non-negotiable. Ninth, we must support our emerging farmers through secure land ownership and financial support. It is them and not the state that must own the land that they farm on. And 10th, the DA will continue to oppose expropriation without compensation. It threatens investor confidence, destabilizes the agricultural sector, and ultimately jeopardizes jobs and food security. Agbare Speaker, plaasaanvalle raak nie net ons landbougemeenskap nie. Dit raak alle Suid-Afrikaners. Dit verwoes lewens, dit bedreig voedselsekerheid en dit vernietig werksgeleenthede. Die DA se standpunt is duidelik. Ons glo in 'n Suid-Afrika waar elke boer en plaaswerker, swart of wit, veilig is en waar ons land se voedselsekerheid beskerm word deur die beskerming van die mense op ons land se plase. As 'n nasie moet ons verenig in hierdie doel, in plaas daarvan dat ons verdeeldheid saai deur op verhoor te staan en veragtelike liedere soos Kill the Boer, Kill the Farmer sing. Die toekoms van voedselsekerheid en die veiligheid van die mense in ons landelike gebiede hang af van wat ons nou gaan doen. Die DA doen 'n beroep op die minister van polisie om onmiddellik op te tree om hierdie maatreëls te implementeer. Die DA sal nie rus nie. Ons sal aanhou veg vir 'n effektiewe landelike veiligheidsplan. Die mense op ons plase en in ons landelike gebiede verdien niks minder nie en ons kan hulle nie hierin versaak nie. Ek dank u.